Hey guys, just a quick top tip video on the use of slip roads when joining the carriageway. Now the purpose of the slip road is to build your speed up, to do sufficient checks to make sure it's clear and to match the speed of the cars on the carriageway, and to also to give them chance to get you used to coming into the carriageway. So what we find with a lot of learners is that they don't make full use of the slip road. They tend to enter too soon when the speed is too low and they haven't done sufficient checks, and there seems to be a sort of a panic situation to just get onto the carriageway, whereas it's much better to use the full length of the slip road for the reasons I'll mention later on in this video. So let's just take a look at a typical learner approaching the slip road now on the Wrexham dual carriages. So here we are, we're going down the slip road. They're starting to build the speed up, but already they're starting to move over to the right. Now we get a car come there down the side, which isn't a very good position to be in when you're moving over to the right. As soon as that car's gone, you can see they start to go right up towards the traffic and they enter the carriageway there, whereas in fact they should be where the blue arrow is before they enter. Okay, and then they enter there, maybe at 45, 50 miles per hour. Traffic on there doing 70. See, all the slip roads still left there where they could have built the speed up a lot higher and match the speed of the traffic on the carriageway. So the three reasons why you use the slip road: you need to build your speed up to match the cars on the carriageway, you need to do sufficient checks, and you need to give the cars on the carriageway time to make room or adjust their speed up position for you to get in. But it is your problem to deal with mostly. So use the full slip road, as Nick's going to demonstrate here, to build the speed right up. Stay over to the left, definitely use the left lane, keep your car over to the left, start building the speed up as much as you can, going through the gears. Good use of mirrors now. Still stay in the slip until the speed's up. One check of the blind spot, right signal on, and then we enter the carriageway right at the end of the slip road when the speed is up to match the cars on the carriageway. Thank you. See you soon.